guys and welcome. Today I am sharing how I prep my living room and family room for Christmas decor. On Monday I have shared a video of undecorating fall, and then today I wanted to show you how I get my rooms ready for Christmas decorating. If you're stopping by for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonia, and on this channel you will find lots of cleaning and decorating motivation. I also have two other channels, a DIY and a cooking channel, which they're pretty self-explanatory. So if you enjoy all that type of content, make sure you check them out. They will be linked down below. So the first thing that I do is I start in my family room and take all the decor down that I had left, because I might be using these pieces in my Christmas decor, and just put them in a box and away, and then dust everything really well.
Inside my mind, deep inside my mind, I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. Make it happen, before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I, every crazy summer night. Baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
At this time, I also wash all the dog toys as well as all the blankets and throws that I have in this room. I will also be washing a dog bed, and I kind of try and do this seasonally, so like every 2-3 months, so that way, well, probably every 2 months, so that way they're nice and fresh smelling.
Do what you gotta do, take it to the big scene, take it on, go for hope and glory, go long, baby, for love, go all for love, we're going for love, for beating hearts off the charts, love, go all for love, we're going for love, baby, going for love, baby, for love.
This is a good time to also declutter some areas. Now, usually I declutter one of those baskets. The other one just holds diapers and wipes. But this time around, the basket actually didn't have anything that needed to declutter because I haven't actually really been using anything that's in there other than keeping some books and magazines.
Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm. 'Cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given.
When I do my weekly cleaning, I don't take this mirror, this window off, so this was a good time to take it down and dust it really well as dust the top of the fireplace well.
Bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. I see that it's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know.
This time I also like to take down the curtains and wipe the windows on the inside and give the curtains a wash. They're not necessarily dirty, but I do find that the cooking smell does get on them and then they tend to be a little stinky, so it's always good to refresh them a little bit.
Been fighters right from the start. Yeah, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. This being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
Now moving on to my living room, I pretty much do the exact same thing, remove all the decor that's there that I might be using for Christmas decorating, and I also like to give them a good dusting as well.
Feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than
Also down in comments, let me know what kind of Christmas house prep do you do before you start decorating for Christmas. I like to do these kind of things because once I put, like I mentioned on Monday, once I put all this decor up, I don't necessarily dust every nook and cranny because it would be too much to take everything down and dust it. So it pretty much stays that way until January when it gets a brand new cleaning as well. Now the last thing that I do is I move the furniture over and give the baseboards dusting as well as clean under the couches. Now typically I would use a vacuum cleaner to do this because I don't find that this Norwex mop does as good of a job as it claims. But the kids were napping, and I didn't want it to wake them up with the vacuum, so I used the mop. It does do a decent job, but I prefer the wet microfiber cloth on it rather than a dry one because I do still find that it doesn't pick up, and it is staticky, but it still doesn't pick up as good as they claim.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone, and now you're all I want. 'Cause I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would. You know that I would. Lights flash in the dark. Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting stars.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. We will be starting with our Christmas decorating on Saturday, so stay tuned for that, because there's going to be tons of Christmas inspiration, and I like to get all this stuff done in November so that way I can sit back and enjoy everything in December. Enjoy my family time as well as my decor. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and make sure that subscribe button is pressed as well as the notification bell. And I'll see you all in my next video.